Welcome and karibuni to Aroma of Zanzibar. Today I'm going to share with you how I'm making carrot sambaro. So on my heat here, I've got my pan ready with about 2 to 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil, and I've added half a teaspoon of mustard seeds and a quarter teaspoon of cumin seeds. You want to make sure your heat is a little bit high at this point, and as soon as it starts cracking up, I added 2 curry leaves and about 5 green chilies that I've cut them open and I've removed the seeds. You can use whole chilies, red or green, it depends on the heat that you're looking for. And then I just reduce the heat and I add the carrots. I have used 3 medium-sized carrots that I have cut them into this size, kind of little block, okay? And you just want to saute these for about 2 to 3 minutes on medium heat. And then I add about half a teaspoon of sugar to get a little bit of sweetness, and about 2 teaspoons of lemon or lime juice. And you can add more, you just want to balance this, make sure that it's well balanced, the sweet and the tanginess, okay? Then we're just gonna saute again for a minute or so. And at this point you can cover and let it cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. But I like to add gram flour, which is optional. That's 1 teaspoon to get that nice velvety texture on this sambaro. So we're just gonna mix it well, and then after that I just cover it and let it cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. At this point I realized that I forgot to add some salt, so just added some salt, about a quarter teaspoon. You can add more if you want. And then just mix it well, and then let it cover it and let it cook for about 2 to 3 minutes to make sure the ground flour is well cooked. So at this point our sambaro, carrot sambaro is ready, and it's ready to be served. You can serve this with rice or chapati or whatever you fancy. And as you can see, it's beautiful and vibrant. You don't want to overcook the cooked carrots. You want to make sure they're a little bit crunchy at the same time. Alright, so thank you so much. For more recipes, please visit me at Aroma of Zanzibar. You'll find all the ingredients and the measurements in this page and on the description box below. Thank you.